The Buick Encore's IntelliLink system, found in models through 2019, can often be fixed with a reset. There are two main types: a soft reset, also called a reboot, and a factory reset. A soft reset clears temporary glitches, like a frozen screen, without erasing your data. To perform a soft reset, simply press and hold the power volume knob for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen restarts. A factory reset, on the other hand, wipes all user data and settings, restoring the system to its original state. Use a factory reset for more serious issues like persistent app crashes or if you're selling the car. Remember that because IntelliLink is an older system, software updates from GM are decreasing, making resets a primary troubleshooting method. To perform a factory reset on your Buick Encore's IntelliLink system, start by accessing the Settings menu via the Home button on the Infotainment screen. Navigate to Settings and select Return to Factory Settings or Restore Factory Defaults. You'll be prompted to confirm and enter a PIN, which is often 0000 or 1234. Be aware that this will erase all personal data, including paired devices and saved navigation destinations. If your Encore is an older model without menu access, consult your owner's manual for hardware-based reset methods or use a diagnostic tool. After the reset, you'll need to repair your phone and reconfigure your settings. While effective for resolving many software issues, remember that a reset cannot fix hardware problems. If issues persist, consider consulting a qualified mechanic or Buick dealership.